Digestive system. Oral cavity. Oral cavity. Lip. Lip. Gingiva. Gingiva. Tooth. Tooth. Tongue. Tongue. Hard palate. Hard palate. Soft palate. Soft palate. Uvula. Uvula. Salivary gland. Salivary gland. Parotid gland. Parotid gland. Submandibular gland. Submandibular gland. Sublingual gland. Sublingual gland. Pharynx. Pharynx. Esophagus. Esophagus. Stomach. Stomach. Cardia. Cardia. Gastric fundus. Gastric fundus. Gastric body. Gastric body. Pylorus. Pylorus. Pyloric antrum. Pyloric antrum. Pyloric sphincter. Pyloric sphincter. Greater curvature. Greater curvature. Lesser curvature. Lesser curvature. Small intestine. Small intestine. Duodenum. Duodenum. Jejunum. Jejunum. Ileum. Ileum. Villus. Villus. Large intestine. Large intestine. Cecum. Cecum. Vermiform appendix. Vermiform appendix. Colon. Colon. Ascending colon. Ascending colon. Transverse colon. Transverse colon. Descending colon. Descending colon. Sigmoid colon. Sigmoid colon. Rectum. Rectum. Anus. Anus. Peritoneum. Peritoneum. Intestine. Intestine. Bowel. Bowel. Mesentery. Mesentery. Mesocolon. Mesocolon. Liver. Liver. Bile duct. Bile duct. Bilirubin. Bilirubin. Biliary tract. Biliary tract. Common bile duct. Common bile duct. Cystic duct. Cystic duct. Ampulla of Fata. Ampulla of Fata. Oddi sphincter. Oddi sphincter. Gallbladder. Gallbladder. Pancreas. Pancreas. Pancreatic duct. Pancreatic duct. Mastication. Mastication. Swallowing. Swallowing. Digestion. Digestion. Absorption. Absorption. Peristalsis. Peristalsis. Feces. Feces. Xerostomia. Xerostomia. Glossodinia. Glossodinia. Anorexia. Anorexia. Nausea. Nausea. Vomiting. Vomiting. Emesis. Emesis. Constipation. Constipation. Diarrhea. Diarrhea. Aphagia. Aphagia. Dysphagia. Dysphagia. Hematemesis. Hematemesis. Ascites. Ascites. Abdominal pain. Abdominal pain. Colic. Colic. Achlorhydria. Achlorhydria. Hyperchlorhydria. Hyperchlorhydria. Hypochlorhydria. Hypochlorhydria. Acolia. Acolia. Cholestasis. Cholestasis. Biliary stricture. Biliary stricture. Dyspepsia. Dyspepsia. Indigestion. Indigestion. Dumping syndrome. Dumping syndrome. Hepatomegaly. Hepatomegaly. Glycosuria. Glycosuria. Hyperglycemia. Hyperglycemia. Hypoglycemia. Hyperglycemia. Hypercholesterolemia. Hypercholesterolemia. Hypocholesterolemia. Hypocholesterolemia. Hyperbilirubinemia. Hypocholesterolemia. Melena. Melena. Steatorrhea. Steatorrhea. Tenesmus. Tenesmus. Abdominal distension. Abdominal distension. Eructation. Eructation. Belching. Belching. Flatus. Flatus. Chylitis. Chylitis. Periodontal disease. Periodontal disease. Glossitis. Glossitis. Stomatitis. Stomatitis. Aphthostomatitis. Aphthostomatitis. Candidiasis. Candidiasis. Thrush. Thrush. Pharyngitis. Pharyngitis. Adenoid. Adenoid. Tonsillitis. Tonsillitis. Adenoiditis. Adenoiditis. Hypertrophy of tonsil. Hypertrophy of tonsil. Parotitis. Parotitis. Epidemic parotitis. Epidemic parotitis. Sialidinitis. Sialidinitis. Sialolithiasis. Sialolithiasis. Ankyloglossia. Ankyloglossia. Cleft palate. Cleft palate. Cleft lip. Cleft lip. Hair lip. Hair lip. Macrochelia. Macrochelia. Macroglossia. Macroglossia. Macrostomia. Macrostomia. Microstomia. Microstomia. Dental caries. Dental caries. Dental calculus. Dental calculus. Oligodontia. Oligodontia. Halitosis. Halitosis. Malocclusion. Malocclusion. Esophageal atresia. Esophageal atresia. Esophageal varix. Esophageal varix. Achalasia. Achalasia. Hiatal hernia. Hiatal hernia. Esophageal diverticulum. Esophageal diverticulum. Esophagitis. Esophagitis. Gastroesophageal reflux disease. Gastroesophageal reflux disease. Esophageal cancer. Esophageal cancer. Gastritis. Gastritis. Acute gastritis. Acute gastritis. Chronic gastritis. Chronic gastritis. Gastric ulcer. Gastric ulcer. Gastroduodenitis. gastroduodenitis, gastroenteritis, gastroenteritis, gastroptosis, gastroptosis, peptic ulcer, peptic ulcer, pyloric stenosis, pyloric stenosis, pylorospasm, pylorospasm, Zollinger-Ellison syndrome, Zollinger-Ellison syndrome, stomach cancer, stomach cancer, duodenitis, duodenitis, duodenal ulcer, duodenal ulcer, ileitis, ileitis, jejunitis, jejunitis, colitis, colitis, appendicitis, appendicitis, ileocolitis, ileocolitis, proctitis, proctitis, enteritis, enteritis, enterocolitis, enterocolitis, ulcerative colitis, ulcerative colitis, dysentery, dysentery, Crohn disease, Crohn disease, terminal ileitis, terminal ileitis, diverticulitis, diverticulitis, peritonitis, peritonitis, Hirschsprung disease, Hirschsprung disease, megacolon, megacolon, intestinal obstruction, intestinal obstruction, enterolith, enterolith, Meckel diverticulum, Meckel diverticulum, ileus, ileus, irritable bowel syndrome, irritable bowel syndrome, volvulus, volvulus, intussusception, intussusception, indigitation, indigitation, hernia, hernia, inguinal hernia, inguinal hernia, rectal prolapse, rectal prolapse, typhlitis, typhlitis, intestinal polyposis, intestinal polyposis, colonic polyposis, colonic polyposis, intestinal diverticulum, intestinal diverticulum, hemorrhoid, hemorrhoid, hemoperitoneum, hemoperitoneum, rectal cancer, rectal cancer, colorectal cancer, colorectal cancer, hepatitis, hepatitis, viral hepatitis, viral hepatitis, hepatitis A, hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, hepatitis C, toxic hepatitis, toxic hepatitis, liver cirrhosis, liver cirrhosis, hepatic cirrhosis, hepatic cirrhosis, fatty liver, fatty liver, hepatomegaly, hepatomegaly, jaundice, jaundice, obstructive jaundice, obstructive jaundice, hepatic jaundice, hepatic jaundice, hemolytic jaundice, hemolytic jaundice, hepatoma, hepatoma, cholecystitis, cholecystitis, cholangitis, cholangitis, cholelithiasis, 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 cholestasis, cholestasis, gallbladder cancer, gallbladder cancer, pancreatitis, pancreatitis, pancreas cancer, pancreas cancer, pancreatic cancer, pancreatic cancer, chyloplasty, chyloplasty, chylostomatoplasty, chylostomatoplasty, frenotomy, frenotomy, glossectomy, glossectomy, glossorrhaphy, glossorrhaphy, palatoplasty, palatoplasty, parotidectomy, parotidectomy, sialoadenectomy, sialoadenectomy, sialoadenotomy, sialoadenotomy, sialodocoplasty, sialodocoplasty, sialolithotomy, sialolithotomy, adenotonsillectomy, adenotonsillectomy, esophagoscopy, esophagoscopy, esophagography, esophagography, barium contrast medium, barium contrast medium, esophagectomy, esophagectomy, esophagotomy, esophagotomy, esophagogastrostomy, esophagogastrostomy, gastrotomy, gastrotomy, gastrostomy, gastrostomy, gastrectomy, gastrectomy, gastroduodenostomy, gastroduodenostomy, gastrojejunectomy, gastrojejunectomy, anastomosis, anastomosis, pyloroplasty, pyloroplasty, gastric lavage, gastric lavage, gastropexy, gastropexy, vagotomy, vagotomy, barium enema, barium enema, ileostomy, ileostomy, enterocolostomy, enterocolostomy, enterolysis, enterolysis, enterectomy, enterectomy, enteroenterostomy, enteroenterostomy, enterostomy, enterostomy, appendectomy, appendectomy, colectomy, colectomy, colostomy, colostomy, colocolostomy, colocolostomy, colopexy, colopexy, proctectomy, proctectomy, proctoplasty, proctoplasty, proctoscopy, proctoscopy, herniorrhaphy, herniorrhaphy, hemorrhoidectomy, hemorrhoidectomy, celiotomy, celiotomy, Miles operation, Miles operation, cholecystectomy, cholecystectomy, cholecystotomy, cholecystotomy, cholecystostomy, cholecystostomy, choledochotomy, choledochotomy, choledochoduodenostomy, choledochoduodenostomy, choledochogastrostomy, choledochogastrostomy, choledocholithotomy, choledocholithotomy, pancreatectomy, pancreatectomy, Whipple operation, Whipple operation, digestive enzyme, digestive enzyme, prokinetic drug, prokinetic drug, inhibitor gastric acid secretion, inhibitor gastric acid secretion, antacid, antacid, antiflatulent, antiflatulent,